Welcome to day 2 / part 2 / the end of the organizational saga. We're gonna finish this project today. I'm so excited. I have been getting packages out the ass the last couple days. I'm pretty sure my Amazon delivery driver is not my biggest fan currently. I've got so many organizational solutions and I'm so excited. This is 29, ladies and gentlemen. The things that excite me now are individually sectioned paintbrush holders. Let's get started. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to finish this, and we are going to feel so satisfied and so complete and so our shit together on it at the end of this video. Wow, that was so wildly satisfying. We've got 3 times 6 is 18. We've got 18. Like, it makes me so happy. Wow. It actually looks like a lot of chaos when I do it like that. When it goes back in the shelf, it's gonna look great and it feels great, more importantly. I built one of these yesterday and it went okay-ish, so we're back building more. I feel like these are so nostalgic of when I had art class and you had to put like your final projects into the back of these like cubbies, but they were like bigger, like they were the size of poster board or Bristol board. What I would give to go back to Greytown art class when things were simple. Something's not right. Oh, we know. Yeah. She's a builder. That's gonna be real tough to watch back. I have been avoiding dealing with this for so long because in theory, this is a great idea. You've got your clear sheets and you can see all the stickers that you have so you can find what you're looking for until your sticker book ends up looking like this. When I think of these file folders, I think about like life documents. I think that's how like my family organized things growing up before the age of digital, where like I know that my birth certificate would be in one of these, and now we're using them for stickers. I don't think I'm gonna do like a full send and label each section as to like where stickers are, but I just like, this is not working. Obviously, this was great. This was so great. This was so great when I had 2 pages of stickers. We're past that point now. So I'm gonna try and do a little bit of organization and get these stickers into here. I also have a whole drawer of like my favorite stickers that I'm not even gonna put in here because they're like my cherished stickers that I am too scared to even commit to putting on anything. Please tell me that I'm not the only one that feels like this about specific stickers, but they're like my special sticker drawer of stickers that will probably just never end up on anything because I'm saving them. Who knows for what, but I'm saving them. The way that my shoulders and arms from being like this the last 10 minutes are so sore. That was really not that bad, and I should have done that many months ago. It was really not that bad. Honestly, I think the culprit of why that binder was just not closing is because I got these thickies that are just like ½ an inch thick of random freaking scrapbook sticker books. They're just hogging so much space. So I feel good about this. I've got things separated into like more scrapbook style books, pearls, googly eyes, color, like rainbow glitter gemmy things, different letters and texts and styles, a whole section for moose stickers. I feel good about it. have just had so many different not so thick in brain cell thoughts. I have this problem where I don't do a great job of reading the dimensions on something before I order it. And so I got these and I was like, oh, these dowels are much shorter than I anticipated. Like they're gonna fit 2 or 3 ribbon spools each. And then this came like this with these 2 pieces and I was like, oh my God, shit, it's broken. But I think this is actually the best thing ever because now these don't have to be like attached like this. These dowels look like they should pop out. I think this is gonna be so great. This is gonna be, oh, that was a terrible sound. So sorry, everyone. Just kidding, I super hated that. I think it's because the tops of the ribbon aren't all the same and it was driving me crazy. So I, thank God, ordered 30 of these little bins. And I was like, oh, I think I like over ordered. I'm never gonna use all this stuff. And here we are looking for more. But I think this is the move. I think this is like the most condensed and organized and like borderline color coded that we're gonna get. Marie Kondo'd the shit out of the DIY room and I feel so good about it. Literally just like looking at the DIY craft storage closet makes me feel at peace with every problem I've ever had in my life. Presenting the new, the improved, the not that clean on this side, so it's just not that big of a difference over here. But wait, just wait. Both look good, but this side looks better. Wow! Here she is in all of her glory. I purged so much stuff that there's like empty shelves. Like there's just like nothing here, which should 100% not mean that I have to fill the space. So I have all of the paint stuff together now, which is new and wonderful. And I feel like this still looks a little chaotic, but they are still so separated. Obviously you saw them all go into the little dividers here. This is amazing. This is so exciting. I've got all of the tall paintbrushes up here in this kitchen utensil spinner, all of the acrylics, all of the oil paints. These are my tall acrylics, some enamel and glass paint, all of the glitters, the ribbons and strings, the adhesive section. I have an adhesive section, not a big deal. We've got all of the glue guns and Mod Podges, the tapes and the more tapes. And then over here, spray paint, varnishes, finishes, the joint compound for those like big art thingies that was a huge trend, some leather paint, some more of the tall acrylic paints, all of the scrapbook paper, and again, just like empty shelves. Oh, it looks so good. I think the clear containers also just make such a huge difference. There's even like room for spacing in between them. So satisfying. Okay, let's close this one. Ooh, this side looks good too. Up here, we've got all of the beads. This was actually one of the things that was organized before today. I got this incredible beads storage. I will have a link for this and actually all of the different like little storage thingies that I bought because these have all been so incredible. So I've got this separated into a whole bunch of styles of beads. I've got my embroidery thread, some different wires and chains, phone strap making beads here. And then literally, I feel like I could just like supply a whole elementary school with all of like the felt and the foam and the pom-poms and the popsicle sticks that I have, the Crayolas. All of the markers and pencils are separated now into like Sharpies and watercolor markers. This also just like feels so good. Again, looks like kind of chaotic, but everything is just so separated. It feels so good and so organized. Not entirely sure how I ended up with this much felt, but I felt like because I had the space for it, I should keep all of it, and these were so great. I originally planned to put some of the scrapbook paper books in here, but they're not quite deep enough. I feel like I need another couple inches here, so would have loved to do that, but this looks great, separating out my foam and my felt. I've got some craft paper here, little pom-poms. I really downsized the pom-pom situation here, and then some more jewelry making supplies. Over here looks, again, not amazing, not incredible, but like functional and just like purged and organized, which again is so nice. Camera equipment is just like so bulky that there's no way to store this nicely. But overall, feeling so good, so organized. 10 out of 10. Hope this inspires you to maybe clean out like a junk drawer or like the chair in your bedroom that gets all of the clean and dirty laundry tossed on top of it. I definitely have one of those that I should maybe tackle next. But for now, I feel deserving of I feel deserving of going shopping now. This is what happens when you're tempted by like an empty shelf or an empty hanger. My kryptonite. Anyways, I feel really good about this and it looks great and I'm so excited. I will have a link to all of the different bins and organizers and storage unit thingies that I used today to get this to where it is now. And I feel like all that's left before we say goodbye is some very satisfying before and after footage.